traffic on cold on the rail. Looked out back where I built my kingdom, whole damn yard just pale. There was mud in the bed of my pickup, shingles hanging like teeth. But the wildest thing that I ever did witness was the hole where my house used to be. Big, big trouble. Storm took my home, 20,000 pounds just up and gone. Big ass straight line winds came ripping through, left my mailbox standing, but it ran off with my roof. Big, big trouble. What's a man supposed to do?